Legend has it that Guru Har Gobind once camped outside a small village with his army. But there was no metal to be found in the area for the repair of weapons. The Guru then blessed the village that it would one day become a city of iron. "400 years later, that village is the city of Mandi Gobindgarh, also known as Loha Mandi or Steel City. And now, the winds of change are blowing once again in this ancient city. And at its vanguard is a steel mill that has shown being environment friendly makes business sense. This is the story of how Vivek Re-Rolling Mills went green.
मैं 1972 से इस रोलिंग उद्योग में हूँ। तकरीबन 40 साल का अब तजर्बा होने वाला है। तो 1986 के अंदर ये मेरा दूसरा यूनिट था जो मैंने लगाया था। तो बहुत मेहनत करके इसको चलाया। इस मिल के साथ मेरी भावना जुड़ी हुई है। जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो, अपग्रेडेशन इज ए मस्ट। सो मेरा हमेशा से ये रहा है कि मैं इस मिल के अंदर जो भी लेटेस्ट चेंज आए उसको जैसा भी जितनी भी मेरी सामर्थ्य है उसको अडॉप्ट करने की मैंने कोशिश किया है।
Production efficiency and a cleaner environment. These were the two drivers behind Vivek's decision in 2005 to upgrade itself.
मेरा एक्चुअली उस टाइम बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट ये था कि कोयला काफ़ी हमको महंगा पड़ता है, तो हमारा ये हमेशा लगातार प्रयास रहा कि कैसे हम इसकी जो एफिशिएंसी है कोयले की उसको बढ़ाएं। उसके लिए मेरे को टेक्नोलॉजी की हमेशा ज़रूरत रही थी।
Around the same time, a project to eliminate barriers to energy efficiency in the steel re-rolling sector was gaining momentum. The project was led by the Ministry of Steel and the United Nations Development Programme in India with support from the Global Environment Facility.
तो मेरा हमेशा से ये रहा है कि मैं इसको कैसे अपग्रेड करूं। तो ये जो UNDP एंड मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टील के जो प्रोजेक्ट है इसको लेने के लिए मैंने भरसक प्रयास किया और अल्टीमेटली मेरे को उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया।
After a series of meetings with the project, Vivek Re-Rolling Mills entered into an agreement to inject energy efficiency into its operations.
When Vivek Re-Rolling Mill came in contact with the UNDP JEF project, the main concern they were having was the higher fuel consumption, that is the higher coal consumption. Once we did the initial round of visit in Vivek Rolling Mill, the mill was very obsolete, using old technologies, very small, and they were high on energy consumption.
The mill was using pulverized coal as a fuel for its furnace. At 65 to 70 kgs per ton, its coal consumption was considered too high by experts from the project. The project therefore took it upon itself to redesign the furnace in such a manner that it consumed less coal, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, improved yield and delivered measurable savings.
Our main point of concentration was the reheating furnace, where we have done a lot of we have put in some innovative ideas. Normally what happens in pulverized coal-fired units, they fire the powdered coal directly in cold stage into the furnace. This leads to incomplete combustion.
पहले एक ही पाइप में से गर्म हवा भी आती थी, उसी में ठंडी हवा आती थी, उसी में जो हम कोयला फीड करते थे। कई बार क्या होता था कि चोकिंग होने का डर रहता था। कोयला जो है ना वो बैकफायर करता था, चोकिंग होने का डर रहता था।
What we did, we made a slight modification in terms of the design of the furnace. We placed the hopper directly above the burner, and the pulverized coal was only transferred hydraulically to that hopper, and the cold gas was taken out just above the hopper. Whatever the waste heat was going out of the furnace, we recovered a considerable amount of heat out of it. We used 100% of the hot gas as a firing agent in the burner.
From the project's perspective, the intervention at Vivek was particularly significant.
A large number of steel re-rolling units in India use coal as the firing agent. Efficient and cleaner technology for coal-fired furnaces was therefore vital to the project's objectives of conservation of energy and reduction in emissions.
The mill began operating its redesigned furnace in 2008. The furnace boasted a host of features designed to reduce fuel consumption and burning loss.
टोटल इक्विपमेंट को अपग्रेड कराया। ये जो रेक्यूपरेटर सिस्टम था वो भी अपग्रेडेड क्वालिटी का उन्होंने लगवाया। जो भट्टी के अंदर मटेरियल लगवाया, गुड रिफ्रैक्टरीज लगवाई, तो अच्छा बर्नर डेवलप करके वो बर्नर हमको दिया।
A year after it was installed, analysis of data revealed the benefits the mill had received because of its new furnace. The mill reduced coal consumption from 65 kgs to less than 50 kgs per ton, not only making savings on fuel costs but also reducing emissions.
Scale loss of iron was reduced, burning loss was cut, and productivity jumped by 74%.
तो वायुमंडल भी शुद्ध हो गया, नेशनल भंडार भी बच गया और हमारे को भी फायदा हुआ। तो इसके लिए हम बहुत ही धन्यवादी हैं UNDP जेफ प्रोजेक्ट के एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स का।
While the furnace was the main focus, the project also facilitated transfer of technology aimed at reducing power consumption.
In the rolling mill,
जो लेटेस्ट डिज़ाइन की मोटर्स हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स हैं, वो उन्होंने प्रेस्क्राइब किया हमारे को। उन्होंने बैरिंग्स बताया कि फ्रिक्शन की वजह से एनर्जी वेस्ट होती है, तो उन्होंने हमारे को रोल पास डिज़ाइन का भी स्वीडन से मंगवा कर दिया, कंप्यूटराइज्ड सिस्टम।
The project also trained employees of the mill in the use and care of the new technology. Today, as a model unit of the project, Vivek Re-Rolling Mills does its own bit to spread the message of energy efficiency.
आए दिन हमारे पास लोग देखने आते हैं, हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी देखने आते हैं, तो देखकर वो नकल कर रहे हैं, बना रहे हैं, और यही बेसिक जो एम है वो मेरे ख्याल से फुलफिल हो रहा है। हमारे मेंबर देख रहे हैं, इसको अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं।
Immediately after the success of Vivek, people wanted to really implement these technologies in their own mill. There are around 10 to 15 units who are in line with this project and who will be implementing this quite shortly.
हमारी इंडस्ट्री जितना कम से कम प्रदूषण पैदा करे वो ही अच्छा है। जिस माहौल के अंदर हमारे बच्चे पल रहे हैं या हम सांस ले रहे हैं, उस माहौल को, वातावरण को, वायुमंडल को शुद्ध रखना हर एक का मॉरल ड्यूटी होना चाहिए।